Hi, my name is Shivsankar and this is my review about the Evision internship training courses. This is the best place to learn soft skill and get a good job. As per my view, Evision internship is one of the best training improve IT skills. After searching a lot of online internship courses, then I enrolled here. I had completed my B.C.A from MCU Bhopal. This online module teach me more detail like CCNA, cybersecurity, Windows Administrator, and Linux. Also has many live assessment quizzes to help me crack interviews. After I am completing my internship training, I got placed in TCS with salary offered 2.88 LPA. I gained all the required knowledge and skills for my job. Thank you, Evision and their placement team. Thank you.